Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and so we are going to be planning my monthly spread for the month of February. So I decided to try something new for this month. I decided to purchase a digital sticker kit for the month of February. I purchased it off of Etsy, and I'll link that information down below in the description so you can see the name of that Etsy shop in case you're interested in getting these stickers as well. But this is actually a great kit. It was affordable, and it really kind of just gave me the opportunity to put some color on this planner. Because sometimes you want to just change things up. And so this was actually a great kit that I got. As you can see, some of the, as I'm doing some of the digital stickers, because I am new to doing the stickers, laying them out, etc. It takes me a little while to get the simplest thing done, but of course I fast forwarded as best as my ability through those long pieces like doing the date covers. That just was a challenge for me. Once I perfect that, it shouldn't be that bad, but as you can see with this kit, it comes with the actual date covers, which was good because it was able to bring some of that redness out for the month of February. Because what my goal is for the month of February is I'm just going to focus on love. And so that's the month, love. Of course, I want to also just do some other things for the month of February. But I just thought for this particular purpose, this spread what this kit will actually fit for what I am trying to focus on for the month of February. So basically, what I'm going to do is I am going to stop talking and just let you all look at how I actually laid out this kit for February for the monthly layout. And that's basically it. So remember to give me a big thumbs up for this video as well as subscribe once you finish watching the video. Thanks.